Alright guys, just to let y'all know that tomorrow, March 6th, is going to be the last day to get entries to win this truck or 15K cash. Remember, every $10 is 20 entries. A link is going to be in the description and on the first comment to go shop. Make sure you give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Let's get it. Damn it, boy. What's up guys, Freddy back with another video. Right now we are headed to the shop. Que andamos manejando la mamalona SS clone. Damn it, boy. You know? Badass cluster by Easy Clusters. Right now we're gonna go see what the guys are doing at the shop. If you have not copped your merch, go ahead and do so. Every $10 you spend is 15 times entries, guys. So right now it is crucial that you go purchase them for a chance to win either the Mamalona Lifted single cab or 15K cash money. Pinche Mamalona. So let's head to the shop, see what the guys are doing, see what JR is doing, and yeah guys, I'm almost there. Everybody's here, everybody's here. Everybody is here. There's JR, El Bali, and Moñaña. Shout out to Easy Clusters, like I said, and Badass Cluster. Oh! What's up, what's up? ¿Qué andas haciendo acá, Bali?
Cuidado con el turbo.
¿Qué pasó, Bali?
Aquí
¿Qué
andamos.
andas haciendo, JR?
¿Donitas? ¿Ya no hay donitas?
No, no donuts. No donuts today.
¿Un cafecito?
Mm,
No, ¿qué fue?
No gusta, no
Dani,
gusta.
Dani, no va a traer ahorita Dani.
¿Dani?
Pinche café frío.
¿No llegó Dani? No, hombre. ¿Qué andas haciendo acá?
Pues mira,
Vamos pelándosela.
casi nada, mira. No, ese es Vargas.
No, mira. Yo terminé ya como 3 trocas. Fíjate, esa ya está terminada también.
Está bien. Pues ¿y qué vas a comparar esto con aquello, vale?
No, es lo mismo.
Mira, vale. Mira,
Ok,
es una
ok.
chulada,
Yo
vale.
llevo ya 3 trocas y él estaba hasta aquí.
Damn,
No,
boy.
esto yo lo estoy inventando, fabricando, ingenieriendo y todo el pedo. Allá Vargas no va a estar quitar y poner,
No,
quitar y poner.
allá
quitar y poner.
tampoco. Allá tienes que hacer cables, tienes que hacer todo. Si fuera de
Sí.
quitar y poner, ya me llevan las 10, 20 trocas.
Quitapón.
¿Qué te pones aquí, JR?
Mira, qué bonito se va a mirar. Y falta toda la pipa de titanio.
Check it out, guys. He already finished the headers. Badass work by JR Fab.
Oh,
He
sí.
already set the turbos on.
We got a lot of stuff to do. We got a lot of stuff to, you know, like we have to be ready for the show season. So we need to get ready the dually. We need to check it out the OG. We already like do pretty much everything on the under the hood. But we need to do the sound system on it. You know, whenever we drive into the Donut Pit, we like to have loud music and yeah.
Oh yeah, guys. It's show season. We are going to be taking the OG to California for Truckin' Madness in California, Bakersfield. Ahí van de la Mamalona, OG, GNC.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it. Ready, Bali?
Yes, sir.
All right,
let's get it. Let's go take this Mamalona to get everything.
Damn it, boy.
Get it right.
You're going to go on the dually. I'm going to go on the clone. Let's get it.
Let's get it, pop.
Damn it, boy. We're here. He's about to go set up the appointment. I don't know if I can park here, but oh well. ¿Qué onda, pa? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué le falta a esta troca?
On this one, guys, we here at Bucalo in Conroe. So right now, we need to do the oil change. We need to change the fuel filter too. Couple little things, you know, so we can have it ready for show season. Yeah, we here.
Let's get it. Damn it, boy. Kim Buccalo, Chevrolet. Conecta la botella, Vali. No nos van a parar a la verga.
A conectarla por si alguien quiere correr ahorita. Boy. Alright guys, so right now we finna work on the OG truck. So on this one we need to do like the sound system stuff because we need to upgrade a little stuff to it. Has to wait in the back. I must change one of those because one is broke. It is this side. So I'm gonna change it up. So, ¿qué le vamos a hacer, Darwin?
Por ahorita quitarle todo. We're gonna take everything out of here and see what we can change out and then put everything back together.
Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, on this one, I'm gonna change a little bit, rewire everything, put a new harness, nuevos RCAs too. So, le vamos a poner eso. Voy a checar las bocinas de las puertas, las bocinas de afuera. Voy a checar las 8, los 3 amplificadores. Trae 3 amplificadores. Vamos a checar todo eso, cause ya vienen los shows. Necesitamos tenerla ready. Porque esta la vamos a llevar a Trucking Madness en Cali. So, stay tuned, guys. Deme, boy. Para que sacarle todo, Darwin, asientos, todo. ¿Qué eso? Le vamos a sacar los asientos, todo. Le vamos a poner todo nuevo. So, Darwin ya empezó, él quitó el tablero ahí. He takes the dash out already, so right now he's just working on the seats, so we need to take them out. Yeah, got my boy Keith there, working Keith. Hey, my boy, what you got going on there?
Working on this box for 4.8s for F450.
Okay. Anybody has a F450? Because that one, the one we got outside is 2022.
Yeah.
Right. So if anybody needs a F450 2022 or like little bit like the 2020s, let my boy Keith know because he got down, right, Keith? And my boy. Okay, guys, so Darwin already take everything out. The seats no sits inside. We need to check all the cables on this one. Here we go, that's the seat right there. So we need to find the box. The other seat. Okay, guys, so thing is, one of these subs is broken. There you go, you see it? This thing happened whenever he swung it, he went and broke this piece of the console. La pieza de ahí de la consola esa fue la que rompió la bocina. This piece right here. So that's why. So I'm gonna need to measure this bolt stays in place because I don't wanna the thing happen again to one of those subs. So what you think, Darwin?
We'll make it right on this one.
Yes, sir. Because we need to measure. This one is banging. Yep.
Day 2. ¿Dónde vamos?
¿Qué vamos a hacer, pa?
Vamos a ir a hacer unos reels para la giveaway. ¿Dónde está la giveaway?
Ah, está ahí.
Vamos a ir a aventar unos reels y pues continuar el vlog porque ayer nos ocupamos todos.
Vamos, ok, so
Let's get it. Aquí andamos con Ketchup Media.
Claro. Está todo bien set it up. Deme pa.
Vámonos a la chingada.
Let's go.
Let's get it. The giveaway's over there. Vargas is driving that. I'm driving the Black Panther. Mira. Y verga, no puedo ni bajar el pinche ventana. Damn, son. Remember, guys, if you want to shop now, the link is going to be in the description or on the first comment. Every purchase you make with $10, 15 times entries for a chance to win either the truck or 15K cash. So, guys, go shop right now. Giveaway ends a day from now. So, let's get it. Oh, shit. It has a sound system. Yeah, guys, look. There he goes. He's going to get on the bed. And just for his safety, we're not going to be driving fast, if anybody is asking. And the Mamalona's right there. Damn, son. Damn, that thing looks mean. Look at him. Oh, yeah. Anybody that wins that truck is gonna be hella happy with that truck. I'm even amazed by looking at it right now. What do you think, Wally?
Déjame, pa. So, va a estar chingón. Looks badass, güey. ¿Cómo está el día? Estamos, la forest.
No está muy, it's not too sunny, it's not too cloudy.
Yeah.
It's perfect. And then it's not even cold. It's not cold, it feels great.
Like the forest right there is like, si miras allá está bien feo. Está bien limpiecito, so it's like perfect. It's perfect spot right there.
They started making houses, I just realized.
Oh yeah.
Right?
I remember last time we came over here with the linings. It was all puro monte, yeah.
That's fun.
Hello, getting down.
Getting down with the cinematic.
Yeah, guys, make sure to get some entries, cause man, that's a badass truck right there. Yes,
It ends tomorrow, no?
Yeah, it ends tomorrow.
This video is going up today.
Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, so it ends tomorrow. So make sure to get your entries, cause you don't wanna miss out. Sorry, ¿no? Pinche patito tuntun.
All right, guys, this is the second location. We're trying to see how to set up the truck because we're about to do another shoot, a second reel. We're gonna try to do 3 or 4 today. So yeah, guys. ¿Qué onda?
We're gonna park the truck right here.
With
a tire on top. I'm gonna record de allá, de acá, algo diferente.
What's your Instagram, Ka?
Ketchup Media. A ver que me sigan. Ketchup Media.
¿De qué quiere llegar a 1 millón?
1 millón? Give me to 1 million. Yeah, I'll give away my GT500.
A la madre. Mira. This is gonna be our second reel. How many reels are we doing today?
4.
4? Damn, boy. How do you see it, cat?
Ahí está, era la baloncísima.
Mira,
Si la
por
quieren
uno.
para pinche andar off-roading, ahí está. Puro 100, 4x4.
A little bit of 4x4 action.
Yes, sir.
Lleva el que otra vez. Second time.
Pasito, tum, tum. Esto lo hacía en otra compañía cuando era operador. Cuando no te marcaban bien, tú mismo puedes agarrar estos dos banderas de las que te ponen. Le das vuelta. Y ya nomás la pones. Eso solito tiene que dar vuelta, mira. ¿Te fijas? ¿Y dónde está la marca?
Ahí está una línea, no sé si alcanza a
Si
ver.
me paso, se va para atrás.
A la verga.
Sí, güey. What the hell?
Mira, de regreso.
What the A la pinche línea, güey, neta.
¡Vale! Es que todas las líneas tienen un alambre abajo. Tienen un alambre. So, es como las encuentra. Y haz de cuenta que tú estás haciendo, ¿cómo le llaman? Fricción.
Friction.
Ah, ya. Esto lo hacía yo para buscar las líneas de agua. Mira,
Mira, güey, cómo se mueve esta chingadera.
mira. Está la línea. Y si me paso,
Se empieza a mover para atrás, güey.
¿eh?
Damn. I didn't even know that. You learn something new every day. This is gonna be our last location. Ahí está la troca. I'm alone now. I'm on that one. ¿Cómo miras, vale? ¿Allá? ¿Ese que dice que acá?
La malla negra.
¿Eh?
Está la malla negra, se va a ver medio feo, pero ahí se mira diferente. Porque es como se ve para abajo.
¿No quieres hacer uno? Mira, allá está alguien. ¿No quieres hacer uno acá y uno allá?
Ya.
Para hacer 5 ya total. Allá están los güeyes, mira.
¿Quién chingados son?
¿Eh?
Al decir quién chingados son.
Güey, los pinches motivos aquí, ¿no?
Pero el que se caiga.
El que se caiga se va a partir toda su madre. Well, guys, nos pararon el pedo. Nos dijeron que we can't film here for other reasons. But yeah, ahí está la troca. We're gonna go to a different location, see what we can come up to. ¡No, hombre! Andamos en la misma, ira.
¿Qué pasó, Chris?
¿Qué pasó, ayer?
Pues, ¿qué pedo?
Me quedé sin pinche gas. ¿Eh?
¿A qué andas jugando?
Tenemos que rescatarme a mí y a Vargas.
Hijos de la qué chulada, pelado. No.
Mira, aquí anda Isma.
¿Qué onda, Isma? Isma, estos hombres nomás se va el jefe y hace su desmadre. Qué bárbaro. De voladita madre, te vas a Chick-fil-A y me compras una pinche hamburguesa de pollo, una Dr. Pepper grande y papas grandes, cabrón.
Dale, sale, vale.
¿Y luego?
Sí, güey.
¿Cuál se quedó primero?
La de él, yo vine a rescatarlo.
¿Dónde está Vargas? ¿Qué tan lejos de aquí?
Aquí está la mera vuelta. Guys, we're here on the way to go rescue Vargas. Jared already rescued me. I don't know if I was able to record the whole thing, but he is right here. I was on live, so yeah, guys. Alright, guys, we just got here. ¿Qué pasó, Cat?
Apenas llegamos. We just got here, guys. So se nos hizo todo. You know, it's late already. So shout out to my boy JR. So we called him like, hey, we need some gas. So he got us. So yes, sir. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Drop a comment. Ahí andamos al 100, ¿no, JR?
Racita, sí, también no se olviden que mañana es el último día para la giveaway mamalona 22x14 American Forces levantada con un pinche lift kit mamalón. La troca es un trocón, te la recomiendo. Éntrale, raza, éntrale.
Yes, sir.
Hola,
Don't
como
forget,
quieras.
guys, cop the merch. You know, you can win that truck right now. It's $10, 20 entries. So don't miss out. Get your merch.
Back out fresh on the scene. 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 Back out fresh on the scene.